Good evening. Welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. Before going to the Friday's market, I would like to review today's market as well as how I have given the calls in my WhatsApp group. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month, and you will get call as well as guideline how the market is going to be in the market live market scenario. So you can able to understand and you can able to get the calls on the live market. Let's go to the Nifty, how it has ended up today. Nifty ended up in the positive 11,449.25, 171.25 points in the positive, 1.52% in the positive. Opened around 11,363.30. Even I have told that in my yesterday's video, the market has changed from the bearish to bullish. So that is what happened. It has opened gap up almost 80 points and went low somewhere around 11,327.40. After that, it has started to move towards to the positive. Little correction is there, and once again it has gone up and closed in the range of somewhere 171 points up. I went around 11,464.05. Let's go to my prediction review as well as my calls which I have given in my group. Today it has clearly mentioned about how it is going to be in the early morning itself around 9:11. The market as going to reach the level of 11,415 and 11,452 around 9:11 before the market was opened. The pre-open, after the pre-open, I have given those because our first target will be 11,344, which is already got it in the pre-opening itself, and the second target is pending 11,415. But one key was there, which is that we have the bullish open target level stop loss for the bearish. Normally if that level is not breaking means the bearish will get catch. So this is a level. Initially the market was not able to break that particular level 11,370 for quite some time. You can check the chart, you will come to know after breaking only the market has moved a bit from that. So you can able to check. So that is the reason I have given the call around 9:43 to buy, because we know that if it is breaking, the market may go fly again. So that we want to take a zero call, because if that particular level is not going to hit, then market having chances to fall. So we trying to take a small risk. 3 to 4 rupees is fine. So we took that level, and this particular level is breaking means it won't be valid. So that is what the call is. So we know the target of bullish level, which is 11,415 and 11,452.81. These are all the two targets. Once this 11,370.35 is breaking, so initially it was it took some time to break, and then once it is got broken, then we know that the market will go towards to the positive side. So this 11,452.80 is wide open because of that level is broken. So that is the reason I have given a call 11,400 CE to buy around 8 to 9 with a stop loss of 4. So it has moved, but I wanted to give, because I'm a kind of a trader which is I don't want to take huge risks. So I bought it somewhere means even 9 to 10 or even 12. So if anything more than 50% or 60%, I want to exit, even if it is a small money, because I always compare with the investment of how much I invested. So for example, I bought it somewhere around 9.8. It has gone up to 16, which is almost 60%. So I exited, but I know that the market is going to go up, because we know the level of 11,452. So we used to take a profit each and every time. So my idea is I don't want to take huge risk, but there are chances. I clearly mentioned that it may go up to 40 plus 2, but as a safe trader point of view, I wanted to exit, because that is the way it is, and exactly that is what happened. It has started to move up 19, and initially it was gone up to some 30 odd points. I'll show you 20 plus and 20. Here it is 27 plus, and after that it started to move once it is reaching that close to 11,415 range, 11,413.5, so I want to ask my clients to play safe, because some risk traders are there. I'm a kind of a safe trader. I always wanted to be safe, but there are some risk traders are there, so they can able to take risks. But this one particular call, which is Bank Nifty 0 call, 13 rupees to 16 rupees I asked to buy, and it has went exactly almost 11,018. I went around 11,000, and I mean 11,017.75 is the level which it went. One more call which 11,350 it got hit stop loss, and here it is, that another call which went almost, it is from 13 to 65. I asked the customer to exit, and upon this depends upon the customer risk appetite. So it has went exactly to the level of 117.75. that is the level it has went. Here it is the mark. So the range is around 11,115. So almost it got it. So I already told the customer to exit somewhere around 65 to 70, because sometimes we need to exit the safe way, because it is almost 13, it is almost 3 to 4 times. So instead of 10 waiting for 10 times, it is good to exit at the decent level. And one more call which we took got some good results, which is 11,400 call option, somewhere around 880, and both put together it is somewhere less than 12 points. So if you investing 12 rupees, means anyone will go to some 30 to 40, and this 11,400 once again, because we know the target of 11,452. So keeping that in mind, if it is works, then the market will go at least minimum of 40 plus, due to that last hour or maybe last 30 minutes the premium may decrease. So I wanted to exit safe 30 to 40. That is also given exactly good result. It is started to move, and initially it went 21 and came down, and then it went 32, and it fall down from 30 to, after 32 it fall down to 15 once again. After 15 it gone up to 50. So our 40 also finished, but it has went 51 and closed somewhere around 39. So today it's a good day for us in the market. Let's go to the Friday prediction. So Friday, it is kind of a indicating one is on the evenly poised, because resistance is 8 and support is also 8, so evenly poised. Average indicating negative 1:2, and weightage indicating negative 2.82 versus 5.28, and absolute frequency indicating negative 3:5. But the difference of 1 point, which indicates that the market may fall down. After the fall down, it may having chances to recover too. So the evenly poised comes means we need to play much more cautiously, because sometimes it may extremely bearish as well. So the basic scenario we need to watch out is that there are level volatile, one which is anything pre-opens 41.25 points above, which is indicating bullish, with a stop loss of overall average stop loss which is 11,436.95 is the stop loss you need to maintain for the bullish. If this particular level is breaking, means then the market may having chances to fall down a bit. So that is what you need to keep the bullish stop loss in this particular level. On the other hand, if the pre-open market volatile 2, if it is opens below that 57.25, which is around 11,392, anything below that level which opens means you need to keep stop loss in this level 11,456 point, even you will take 57, because round off will come 57. 11,457 is the stop loss you need to maintain. 11,457. You need to keep stop loss for the bearish. If anything opens in between these volatile 1, if anything opens in between volatile 1 and volatile 2, it is indicating volatile market. So it may oscillate a bit, not only in between. If it is breaking, it may having chances to go further downside. If it is breaking, it will having chances to further up, but as per the normal stop loss you need to maintain. On the other hand, the basic bullish and bearish stop loss, which is anything opens in the positive and not breaking the previous close stop loss, which is 10 points, 11,439.25 is not breaking, then it is a extremely bullish market. Once the bullish open target level is breaking 11,612.97, then it is extremely bullish. Likewise the same, if anything opens in the negative, any negative, and not breaking the previous closing stop loss, which is 11,459.25, not breaking, then it is showing extremely bearish. Once if it is breaking the bearish open target level, it will go to any extent. So these are all the basic rules, and let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. It is kind of a market which having the volatile. It may open somewhere in the positive, it may go towards to the positive, but all chances are having after reaching certain height, it may fall down from that particular level to any extent to the negative as well. That kind of a day on Friday, so need to play very carefully. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.